Welcome to the home of Agatha Christie and a literary trail like no other. I'm Matt Newbury, a walker, swimmer and author, and I'd like to tell you more. Welcome to the beautiful Princess Gardens here in sunny Torquay. Agatha Christie featured these gardens in her book The ABC Murders, which is one of her most popular and intriguing novels. Directly behind me you can see the pavilion, which is where Archie Christie proposed to Agatha Christie following a Wagner concert. You can also see the fountain behind me. There's a sister fountain to this outside the Raffles Hotel in Singapore, so we're in illustrious company here in Torquay. Welcome to the Princess Pier here in Torquay, which opened in 1890, which was the year that Agatha Christie was born. And as a young girl, you used to be able to roller skate here for a cost of 2p if you bought your own skates. And in the background, you've got another place called the Grand Hotel, which is a bit of a French chateau looking hotel. And this was where Agatha Christie spent her honeymoon in 1914 on Christmas Eve, just before her husband went off to war.